Understanding, I'm not convinced, a guide to expressing doubt in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a common phrase that can be quite powerful when used correctly. I'm not convinced. This phrase is a key part of expressing doubt or skepticism, and understanding how to use it can significantly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. When someone says, "I'm not convinced," they're essentially expressing doubt or disbelief regarding a statement, idea, or belief. It's a polite yet straightforward way of saying that the evidence or arguments presented haven't been sufficient to change their mind or make them believe that something is true. This phrase is often used in discussions, debates, or whenever someone is evaluating the validity of information. "I'm not convinced" can be used in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to formal debates. Here are some scenarios where this phrase is particularly useful. During a debate or discussion, when you're questioning the validity of another person's argument. While evaluating information, such as news articles, research findings, or stories, to express skepticism about their truthfulness or reliability. In personal conversations, when someone is trying to persuade you of something, and you remain doubtful about their claim. It's important to use this phrase judiciously to avoid coming across as overly skeptical or dismissive, especially in sensitive or personal matters. If someone tells you they're not convinced by your argument or statement, don't take it as a dismissal but as an invitation for further explanation. Here are some polite ways to respond. Acknowledge their skepticism. "I understand why you might not be convinced. Let me provide more evidence." Ask for specifics. "Could you tell me what parts you're not convinced about? I'd like to address your concerns." Offer additional information or clarification. "Perhaps I didn't explain myself clearly. Let me go into more detail." Engaging constructively when someone expresses doubt can lead to more meaningful conversations and deeper understanding. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "I'm not convinced." We hope this video has shed light on how to express skepticism in English effectively and how to navigate conversations where doubt comes into play. Remember, expressing doubt is not just about questioning others but also about opening doors to deeper understanding and clarity. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you next time.